Well folks, en route to another job, going across a school playing field now. We're going to over there. Fell a silver birch tree which is dead. As you see, everywhere is bone dry. Recently, we have to access this from the school. The guy in question, he's got no side access to his house, so we're going to drop a tree, then bring everything over the fence, chip it up, get the logs out, and job's a good one. Alright, here we are. This is the dead tree. Just up there. There it is. Not a big one. That needs to be done. Brought the hedge cutter so we can carve a bit of a path to go over the fence. Yeah, it's just this tree here. Dead. Yeah, probably carve a bit for here. That's the Turf and Exchange, Sunbury.